Welcome to Honda CX 500 carburetor, and we will do this with Larry's guide to rebuilding the Kini CX carburetor. So this is the green side. On the green side, okay, we start with page 9. Remove the 2 screws securing the top cover. Remove these 2 screws. Remove the cover, spring slide and the plastic ring. Okay, here it comes. Here's the slide. With a small hook at the end of a small screwdriver, pull the plastic cap out of the center. Okay, O-ring. Very dirty. Cleaning. Okay, take the cap off. Okay. Remove the cover, spring, slide and plastic ring. The plastic ring here, I think this, here is the plastic thing. I know it was somewhere. Air bleed screw, okay. Coming up. Okay. The screw back. I think that's the correct way to do this. Okay, same thing on the other side. This special tool here, what we call in Sweden a skiftnyckel. You never know before you know. Okay, air bleed cover, and I put that. Oh, that's put the screw back. Here are the 4 brass air bleed jets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on the left control the load, jet idle and cut-off circuit. Top right is the primary main jet. Bottom right is the secondary main jet. Next thing, remove the accelerating pump. So, accelerator pump housing with a spring. Remove ACV, valve, spring and small O-rings. Small O-rings. Okay, here it comes. RC, removing ACV valve, spring and small O-ringer. Where's the small O-ringer? Aha, there. See it? There's a small O-ring. Okay, that was a really tough one. Remove fuel bowl. Fuel bowl drain screw. Green side. Remove 3 screws and remove the fuel bowl. Okay. Here you can see some damage. Oh, it's hard. Remove float pin and lift out with the fuel needle. It's... oh, here it comes. float pin and lift out the little needle here. Okay. STD model carbs have the black plastic floats. Black plastic floats. This is a STD model. Remove the secondary mainjet 115. Remove the secondary mainjet 115 and primary mainjet 78, that is the aluminium housing. Okay, here it comes. Both of them. And primary mainjet 78, that mainjet, primary jet. This should said 78, where that is, I don't know. Okay, and this little plut. Okay, good. Then we do exactly the same thing on the other side. The fuel bowl drain screw is off. The float pin come out here. Okay, up. Oh, it's going to be really easy. Good, good. Secondary mainjet. Oh, that comes in two. Okay, good. This will be all for today. Okay, this was the first couple of hours, 2 hours maybe, 1.5 on the CX carburetor.